Guys, ito yung mga signs that you have a strong personality na pwedeng kakatakutan ng iba. First, you're not afraid to speak your mind and express your opinions even if hindi sila popular or ang mga opinion na yun ay may pagka-controversial. You're confident in your belief sa paniniwala mo, sa mga values mo, at hindi ka natatakot to stand up sa paniniwala mo na yun. Second, you have clear boundaries and expectations for how you want to be treated at hindi ka natatakot to enforce them. You don't tolerate disrespect or mistreatment from others. Diba? Hindi ka kailangan talaga yung wala kang kinakatakutan, yung ayaw mong hindi ka nare-respeto. Third, you are a natural leader who take initiative and gets things done. You are proactive, decisive, and confident in your abilities to take charge and make things happen. Fourth, authentic ka and apologetically yourself, even if it means standing out from the crowd. Yung ini-embrace mo yung mga quirks mo, yung mga flaws mo, and yung unique qualities mo, at hindi ka natatakot to let your true self shine. You know who you are, and higit sa lahat, proud ka sa sarili mo.